Hey everybody, Greg Stroud here with Benchmark Realty. We are in Stewarts Landing, going to take a look at a couple of new construction homes. Come on, follow me down to the homes. Come on, keep up. All right, now we're at 127 Stewarts Landing, and this is listed by Emily Hooper at Regal Realty Group. The listing price is $639,000. This one's got 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, coming in at $23.44 on the square footage. Let's go inside and take a look. All right, we're here in the kitchen, and I really like these countertops. We've got gas stove. We've got this gold toned hardware all over the house. Great backsplash and white cabinets. And let's go check out the primary bedroom, which it's got a special feature I want you to know about. All right, I'm here in the primary bedroom. It's a 15 by 15 bedroom. All these floors are hardwood floors throughout the first floor. Come on into the primary bathroom. We got dual vanities. I've got a freestanding tub. I've got a beautiful tiled shower here. And this closet, there's no wire shelves in this closet. And we've got a back door. Where does the back door go to? Comes out to the laundry room. So easy access. All right, I'm here in the bonus room. This is one of the largest bonus rooms. It's probably about a 24 by 30. We got some built-ins over here, and it goes way back up in there. You got plenty of room for pool tables, ping pong, you name it. I really like this feature, and it is the shared bathroom between these 2 bedrooms here. So again, we've got the gold tone hardware, and this second bedroom over here. All right, here in the 3rd bedroom, and what's nice about this one, it does have a bathroom and a walk-in closet. So $639,000 on the price, $23.44 on the square footage. It's got 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and I am Greg Stroud with Benchmark Realty. Contact me at 615-970-0056 if you'd like to see this or other new construction homes in the Mount Juliet, Lebanon area. Thanks so much for watching the video.